Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a powerful new function that will supercharge your Amazon FBA management right within Google Sheets. Let's get started. This function provides Amazon Restock suggestions, ensuring you stay in stock without over-ordering. To access this function, go to the Asinzen Insight menu, then Function Builder, and locate the Seller Account section. Now, you'll need to specify a start date and an end date for the report. Once you've entered your dates, simply click the button. As you can see, the data is being populated directly into your sheet. This includes Amazon's Restock suggestions, giving you critical insights into your inventory needs. And you can easily customize the data you want to see. Simply drag and drop to rearrange the data, or select and deselect specific data points to filter out what you don't need. This allows you to focus on the exact data you need, saving you time and effort. By using Get My Restock recommendation, you can ensure you stay in stock without over-ordering, optimizing your inventory levels, and maximizing your sales potential. This helps prevent stockouts and lost sales, while also avoiding excess inventory and storage costs. To get started with this new function and explore all the other powerful features of asinzen Insight, simply install the add-on from the Google Workspace Marketplace. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials on how to optimize your Amazon business. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.